Setting up and using the Xero Expenses app is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store. Search for Xero Expenses and download the app to your mobile device. Open the Xero Expenses app on your mobile device. Sign in using your Xero account credentials. Follow the prompts to connect your Xero account to the Expenses app. You may need to authorize access to your Xero data. Customize your expense categories to align with your business needs. Add categories such as meals, travel, office supplies, etc. If your business reimburses employees for expenses, set up expense claim settings in Xero. Specify the reimbursement process, approval workflows, and payment methods. If you have employees who will be submitting expenses, invite them to use the Xero Expenses app. They will need to download the app, sign in with their credentials, and connect to your Xero account. Use your mobile device to capture photos of receipts. Open the Xero Expenses app and select Add Expense. Choose Take a Photo to capture a picture of the receipt. Alternatively, you can upload receipts from your device's photo library. After capturing the receipt, enter details such as the expense category, amount, date, and any relevant notes. If you're submitting an expense claim for reimbursement, select Submit Claim. Review the expenses included in the claim and submit it for approval. If you are a manager or administrator, review and approve expense claims submitted by employees. Open the Xero Expenses app or log in to your Xero account on a web browser to access expense claims. Approve or reject claims based on your company's policies.